Richard from GRS Time by Bumfuck. Today, we're doing a pizza montage with popcorn, and I'm dressed like this because we're having a pizza party for Boy Scouts. Just to let you know, it's gonna be awesome pizza. It's a pizza day, pizza day. We have some pizza, pizza day. It's all the pizza. Pizza, pizza day. There's pizza here, there's pizza there. Pizza literally everywhere. It's a pizza montage. It's a pizza place. We have boxes of pizza. Pizza plate. Pizza coming. It's a pizza with Pac-Man pizza. And we got some soda. Pizza montage. Pizza, pizza, pizza montage. Pizza pot. Pizza pot. Pizza, 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 pizza montage. Friend. Pizza montage. Friend. Pizza montage. The soda and every little thing. Pizza and every little thing. Every little pizza thing with friends. Pizza. It's the pizza montage.